Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2016 Nissan Qashqai 1.5 dCi n-tec plus 2WD, a stylish and practical SUV packed with premium features, including a fixed panoramic roof for an enhanced driving experience. From the side, the Nissan stands out with 18-inch gloss black alloy wheels, satin roof rails, and a sleek profile that enhances its sporty appeal. At the rear, the Nissan features LED taillights, a roof spoiler, and rear parking sensors for added convenience. Powered by a 1.5-liter dCi diesel engine, the Nissan delivers excellent fuel efficiency with smooth handling, front-wheel drive, and an eco-friendly Euro 6 engine. At the front, the Nissan features a bold honeycomb grille, LED daytime running lights, and a sculpted bumper for a modern and dynamic look. Stepping inside, the cloth seats provide a comfortable and supportive experience. The leather multifunction steering wheel includes audio and cruise control buttons for easy access. The center console houses a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with navigation, Bluetooth, DAB radio, and a 360-degree camera for a seamless driving experience. The fixed panoramic roof fills the cabin with natural light, creating an open and airy atmosphere. The rear seats offer ample space with adjustable headrests, ISOFIX mounting points, and a 60/40 split folding feature for added flexibility. The n-tec luggage board system provides a practical and spacious boot area, perfect for everyday use and travel. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629. Quote, registration, DP65SPX to book a test drive or request a video.